So it's day 10, I think. It's January 1st, 2016, and I'm saying goodbye to the Moore guest house here in Gua, which was probably the worst hotel or guest house I have ever stayed in. You saw the pictures yesterday. I was going to do a little video documenting like how disgusting the bathrooms were and the showers and just how terrible this place is, but I just couldn't spend another minute. So unplanned stop, we're going to Chaung, a beach town about 160 kilometers away, and I've been there before, but I don't mind going back, although I usually do. Time for some breakfast. Kinga. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 puppies. Okay, I've never used this feature of my motorcycle before, but one thing about the lack of power there in Gua was that my various electronic devices are all running low on battery, including the camera. And this is a power bank. This is what I use to charge things when there's no outlet, and it's running low. My motorcycle has a USB port, if you can believe that. Are we charging? We are! And then I can just wedge this in here. Yeah, I was afraid that was going to happen. Power bank fell off. But it's pretty durable. Now kids, look out. Watch out, Mr. Goat. Bah, bah. So I've run into the first mechanical problem with the motorcycle of the trip, which is pretty good. The horn stopped working, which, if you've ever driven in Asia, you know the horn is like the most important piece of equipment on the whole bike, particularly if you like to drive faster than most people do, which I certainly do. Fixed at no charge, free. Awesome. Long day? Long night? Just one night.